Poland has finalized a significant amendment to its January 2023 defense agreement with the United States, securing the purchase of 25 M1150 Assault Breacher Vehicles, ABVs, built on the M1A1 Abrams tank chassis. The latest annex, worth roughly $115 million, includes not just the armored breaching platforms but also a full support package covering training, spare parts, and logistics. Delivery of the specialized vehicles is slated for 2029, with deployment planned for units within the Polish land forces. The M1150 ABV is a 72-ton tracked engineering vehicle designed specifically for breaching dense minefields and fortified obstacles under hostile conditions. Instead of a tank turret, the vehicle carries a hardened superstructure housing dual M58 explosive line charge launchers, which can blast safe lanes up to 150 meters long and 8 meters wide. A heavy-duty mine plow mounted at the front, along with a modular adapter for various tools like dozer blades or mine rollers, allows the platform to tackle different terrain challenges. Its onboard lane marking system drops visible markers to guide following forces, while cameras and thermal sensors provide situational awareness. A .50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun gives basic self-defense capability, and additional armor or active protection can be fitted depending on the mission. A two-person crew operates the machine. Wars in Afghanistan and Ukraine have demonstrated the value of heavily armored breaching vehicles. Conventional engineering equipment often lacks the protection and power needed to clear multi-layered minefields in contested zones. The ABV's 1,500 horsepower turbine engine, thick armor, and remote line charges make it one of the few vehicles capable of performing this role under fire. First fielded by the U.S. Marine Corps in 2008 and later adopted by the U.S. Army, the ABV has seen combat in Afghanistan and limited action in Ukraine, where some units were supplied from retired American stocks. For Poland, these vehicles will likely join the 18th Mechanized Division, which already operates Abrams tanks. The country currently lacks tracked engineering vehicles dedicated to rapid breach operations, making the M1150 a major upgrade to its combat support capability. The decision also reflects lessons learned from the war in Ukraine, where heavily mined battlefields have slowed offensive maneuvers and cost many vehicles. The deal complements Poland's broader modernization push, which has included large orders of M1A1 and M1A2 Abrams tanks, Apache helicopters, HIMARS launchers, and Patriot air defense systems. Poland has rapidly increased its defense spending since 2023, becoming one of NATO's highest spenders relative to GDP and boasting the third-largest force in the alliance after the US and Turkey. Beyond the ABVs, the annex leaves room for future acquisitions, such as M88A2 Hercules recovery vehicles and mobile maintenance workshops, bypassing older programs that failed to meet requirements. Support infrastructure for the Abrams family is already being developed at the Abrams Competence Center in Poznan, allowing for efficient maintenance and potentially servicing similar vehicles used by allies in Europe. By aligning more closely with U.S. armored engineering solutions, Poland is strengthening its ability to breach fortified defenses rapidly, improve survivability for advancing forces, and integrate seamlessly with NATO operations in future conflicts.